Smart automation. In today's rapidly changing business environment, the manufacturing industry faces unprecedented challenges and opportunities. Hushan Industries, responding to diverse market demands and rapid technological advancements, has transitioned from traditional productivity to automation by introducing smart robotic arms to improve the work environment. From robotic arm 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0 to the current 4.0, we have achieved outstanding performance and reliability, completing a large amount of work in a short time. This has not only increased production speed, but also significantly reduced error rates. The application of robotic arms has boosted our product quality yield to 99.8% and reduced sorting errors by approximately 20%. We anticipate that customer return rates will drop by 2% and the monthly average number of complaints will decrease to 8. Meanwhile, inventory turnover days have decreased from 200 to 160. This is not just the introduction of technology, but a crucial driver of future development. The application of robotic arms will unleash creativity, open up more business opportunities, and drive Hushan Industries' continuous growth. In the future, our 7th smart factory will be completed in 2026, integrating automated collaborative production and automated logistics warehouses. Through high-performance energy management systems and environmental protection measures, we will achieve lower energy consumption and less environmental impact, laying the foundation for future green manufacturing.